Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a couple of useful features in combination. The ability to partially dispatch and raise part invoices from orders. Before starting, here are various settings that should be enabled. If you go to Additional Settings and scroll to the Sales Order settings, tick the following. Show Dispatched and Show Quantity Remaining on the product grid. Having these settings enabled helps make managing your orders easier. Then we'll tick the options for both enabling partial dispatch and partial invoicing. And finally, one other useful feature to set so you only actually invoice for products that have been dispatched. Now those settings are enabled, let's have a look at how you use the features. Here's a sales order I created with 10 items. If I click Dispatch, I get a pop-up screen where I can enter the quantity I want to dispatch. Click on Next and you can review your selection and hit Finish if you're happy with that. You can generate your dispatch note in the usual fashion. When you're done, you can check the dispatch status of the order in a couple of places. Here are the settings that we previously enabled, displaying the quantity dispatched and the quantity remaining columns. And also in the dispatch audit, you can see the details of what's been sent so far. When it comes to invoicing, click on the Invoice button and you'll see a couple of screens similar to the ones you saw during the dispatch process. As we enabled the setting to only invoice dispatched goods, if we try and enter more than the quantity dispatched, we get the warning message and we need to adjust the quantity. This takes us onto the new invoice screen with all the details from the sales order populated, including the quantity you selected to invoice. When we return to the order, you can see the invoice has been linked in the Invoice sub-tab. I'm going to repeat the dispatch process to get the last 5 items shipped. This time, when you repeat the invoice process, the interim screen shows the adjusted quantities based on what has already been invoiced. Again, you could select to invoice a smaller number of items or click to filter max. Again, this will take you to the new invoice screen, which you can review and save. We now look back on our sales order. The entire order has been dispatched. And as you can see, the 2 invoices we've created are linked to the sales order. Thanks for watching.